Selecting the right camera lens is a pivotal decision for photographers, influencing the quality and creativity of their images. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll delve into the key factors to consider when choosing a camera lens, guiding you through the intricacies of focal lengths, aperture settings, lens types, and other crucial considerations to ensure you make an informed decision that aligns with your photographic goals. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy my best selected lens from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Understand your photography style. Begin by identifying your primary photography style. Whether you're into portraits, landscapes, macro photography, or action shots, each genre often requires a specific type of lens for optimal results. Consider focal length. Wide-angle lenses, ideal for landscapes, architecture, and group shots, offering a broader field of view. Standard lenses, versatile for everyday use, suitable for portraits and street photography. Telephoto lenses, perfect for wildlife, sports, and capturing distant subjects with greater magnification. Aperture settings. Low aperture, wide aperture, f1.4 to f2.8 for low light conditions, shallow depth of field, and creative background blur. Mid-range aperture, f4 to f5.6 for a balance between depth of field and sufficient light. High aperture, f8 and above for landscapes and situations where a broader depth of field is necessary. Lens types. Prime lenses, fixed focal length lenses that offer excellent image quality, often with wider apertures. Zoom lenses, variable focal lengths, providing flexibility for capturing subjects at different distances. Consider the sensor size. Ensure compatibility between the lens and your camera's sensor size. Full-frame lenses may offer different perspectives on cameras with crop sensors. Image stabilization. Consider lenses with built-in image stabilization for sharper handheld shots, especially in low-light conditions. Weight and size. Factor in the portability and weight of the lens, particularly if you plan to carry it for extended periods or travel frequently. Research and read reviews. Dive into online reviews, photographer forums, and expert opinions to gain insights into the real-world performance of the lenses you're considering. Budget considerations. Determine your budget range and explore lenses within that range. Remember to balance cost with the features that align with your specific needs. Whenever possible, physically test the lens or borrow it before making a purchase. Assess its handling, autofocus speed, and overall performance in different shooting conditions. Choosing the right camera lens involves a thoughtful consideration of your photography style, focal length preferences, aperture requirements, and other factors. By understanding these key elements, exploring different lens types, and aligning your choice with your budget, you can confidently select a lens that complements your creative vision and enhances the overall quality of your photographic endeavors. Whether you're a novice or an experienced photographer, the right lens is an indispensable tool that empowers you to capture stunning and impactful images. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.